You want me to start from the beginning? I'm Lucas, I'm 21 and Lapeer is my hometown.
One more time, what's your last name?
My name's Lucas, I'm 21. My name's Lucas. My name's Lucas Scott, I'm 21 and I'm from Lapeer. I'm very calm under pressure. Yeah, I own a whole hotel setup, and at some point I'd like to have a license, but it's being the far future. It's expensive to go through pilot school. My dream plane, I love 747s. I think they're beautiful planes, and I think it's a shame that they're being retired. I don't really have a dream plane. Most of them are pretty much unattainable for me. Pinouts and all that of connectors. My worst job was being a subcontractor in a hardware store selling kitchen remodels, trying to convince people to buy kitchen remodels when no one wanted kitchen remodels. I've been trying to learn guitar and I play saxophone. I have 5 3D printers that I built myself. I don't really know. Yeah. I mean, saving up money for a house would be definitely a goal of mine. My family says I'm very good, but most of what I have is useless information, so I'm good at that too. Okay. I mean, she probably killed him.